Hi friends, welcome to Green World. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy in this hot summer season. And now I am going to show the mango tree in this video and also the star fruit blooms. Why I am showing this mango tree is this has suffered from a lot of disease during flowering season. So during flowering it bloomed very nicely, but all the flowers used to drop down and also the tiny buds. Then the remedy which I used for this mango tree is sour buttermilk. So after sowing this buttermilk, spraying the buttermilk to the entire plant, somehow the disease has gone and I got this many amount of fruits, and still it is flowering. And the next one is star fruit. The care I have taken for this star fruit is, if you have seen my videos, in the previous videos I have shown the star fruit gave me many number of fruits. After the harvest I have trimmed the entire plant and I got these blooms within 1 month. So what I prefer you to do is, if anyone having the star fruit, it's better to prune the tree after you harvest the fruits. Then within 1 month itself you can get new leaves and tender leaves and also these blooms. So you can see the star fruit bloom. It is blooming like a festival and it is very nice to see. From the starting point itself it started blooming, and the flowers also look very cute. And this is the season which we enjoy these new flowerings, new leaves and all, which makes the climate very beautiful, which makes our environment very healthy and also beautiful for good eyesight. Some of the gardeners think that growing star fruit plant is a little bit difficult, but it is very easy to grow and take care of the star fruit plant, and it gives you the fruits 365 days, and these fruits are very healthy also. It also contains some medicinal value, and also it contains more amount of vitamin C and also the antioxidants. So if you prune the tree after the harvest, you can get these amount of blooms. So my next topic is, and one thing I will say you friends, why I prefer doing gardening is, it increases our physical exercise. We can do more physical exercise when you do gardening. It decreases mental stress as well as it keeps us peace of mind. And as a fruit we get lot of natural vegetables and natural fruits, which increases our resistance and which makes our health more fit. And so I am harvesting brinjals here, as you see here. These are for my kitchen today. And the care what you take for plants, it will be minimum when you compare to the yield you get from the plants. When you get the yield, you will forget all the hard work and all the efforts what you do in natural gardening. And natural fertilizers like cow manure and decomposers and kitchen waste, these are very good fertilizers for natural kitchen gardening. And without pesticides we can make our kitchen healthy and also our stomachs. Okay, so I prefer gardening friends. As many of my friends also make me insult that why you are so educated and doing such things in the land and all. But land is our mother earth, which we should protect. its natural health, as well as and if you protect the nature, if you protect the mother earth, and it protects our health. That's what I believe. So I prefer gardening. It makes me peace of mind, it gives me physical fitness, as well as it increases the resistance. And I think many of you also who are interested in gardening, and many of you are doing, I think, and I hope you also enjoy doing natural kitchen gardening, and yield you are getting from the harvest. Because if you are interested in the kitchen gardening and natural kitchen gardening only, you can view my channel, and that is you will see all the videos with patience, so that what I think is you too are enjoying the kitchen gardening. And if you have any doubts, or if you want any seeds also, I can share to you, friends. And here I am taking the seeds from my ridge gourd. We call it in Telugu as Neti Berakaya, and I will save these seeds for the next season. So I collect seeds from my own kitchen garden. So this is the final harvest what I got today, and with this itself my stomach gets filled, and also you. So when you get the natural vegetables from the kitchen garden, you can share to your friends, you can share your enjoy, you can share your happiness. And if you store these seeds, and you can distribute these seeds to your garden friends and green friends who also prefer to grow natural kitchen vegetables from their kitchen gardens. Okay, so if you like this video, friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to write in the comment box what you need to improve my channel, and what are the videos you like to view in my channel. And if you are the first subscribers, if you are the first viewers who are viewing this channel, please subscribe my channel, and it means a lot for me. And I can give you more number of tips regarding kitchen gardening, and also the care of many precious plants like star fruit, anjeers, and also pomegranates, and also some varieties of custard apple in my further videos. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also please write in the comment box what are the opinions and what are the suggestions I want to improve